Trichology science is not only for hair texture and scalp skin, but also for protein function in our body. Miss Zulu went the extra mile and retrieved important essential information. How our body parts exits our body waste. The same thing happens to our scalp, and when secretion gets severe, it clogs pores and starts getting infected. We can see our hair texture type in a mirror, like our face. But how about scalp and its underlying issues, which are invisible? When it comes to daily hygiene and care, the product we purchase is based on how our hair feels like, such as oily or dry. Scalp studies are not commonly available like you get for hair issues, and microscopic scanning is only available at hair centers. We have unique hair and health screening and online guidance for your complete assessment. It will be very helpful to get right daily hair care products and food for nutritional optimization. Join our awareness campaign and get free personalized online assessment.